Hello friends, this is Netrali Patil from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to learn about image map in HTML5. Let's begin with the session. First we will see what is image map in HTML5. Okay? An image map with multiple hyperlinks is called an image map. Image map is used to connect links to different regions on the web page. An image map is created by marking certain regions on an image clickable. These clickable regions are called as hotspot. Okay? There are two different types of image maps. First one is client side and second one is server side. We will see only to client side image map. There are different tags used in client side image map. First one is img tag. What is img tag? It is used to insert an image on a web page to create a client-side image map. UseMap attribute of img is used with value which is preceded with a hash symbol. The UseMap attribute acts as a pointer which indicates that the image is a client-side image map. Second one tag is map. It has only one attribute, name. It specifies name of the image used for client-side image map. The value of the name attribute is the value specified in UseMap attribute of img tag. And the last one is area tag. It defines specific clickable region. A given map element can contain multiple area element within. Area is singular tag and map is paired tag. Okay. There are different attributes of area tag. First one is href. Href defines the URL to which the clickable region within the image map navigates. Second attribute is shape. It specifies the shape of the area. It can value rect, circle or poly. Next one is coords, means coordinates. It specifies the coordinates of the area. Rect specifies a rectangular area with 4 coordinates. Circle defines a circular region. It requires 3 coordinates. Poly means it defines a polygon region with coordinates specifying each point on the polygon. It requires 4 coordinates. And default means region covers the entire image. No coordinates are required. Okay. And the last one is alt attribute. It specifies extra information about clickable area. It is the alternative text to the clickable region. Okay. Let's see practically how it works. Start with practical. HTML head, title. Just give any title here like image map. Closing of title tag, closing of head tag. Then start with body tag. H1. H1 is the heading one. An example of image map closing of h1. Then img is used for to insert image. src is location. Put image here. Select any image. Go to properties, copy location, paste here. Then copy image name and .png is the extension of file. Image name .png, closing curly brace. Then alt is equal to image use map is equal to hash image map alt is equal to image of pic 1. Then map name is equal to image map area is equal to href is equal to http www.google.com shape is equal to rect Here we define rect shape for Google website. Chords is equal to 0, 0, 93, 65. Alt is equal to Google site. Then next area href is equal to http www.unipune.ac.in shape is equal to circle. Chords is equal to 118, 140 and 40. Here we define shape circle for university website. Alt is equal to university site. Then area href is equal to http Maha HSC board .in. Shape is equal to poly. Chords equal to 145, 187, 198, 215, 245, 280 and 305. Alt is equal to Maharashtra State Board site. Here we define poly shape for Maharashtra State Board site. Then next, closing of map tag and closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. Just save it and run on browser. Okay, see, first of all we add image, then we add rect for Google website. This is polygon for Maha HSC board. Okay, then next one is circle. Circle is for university website, and next one is rectangle. Rectangle is for Google website. Okay, when we click on rect, it goes to Google site. Then when we click on circle, then it goes to university site, and when we click on poly, then it goes to Maha HSC State Board site. Okay, got it? So I hope you like this session. In the next session we will go for further tags. Thank you.